Hi everyone, Hannah here. So this is this month's mini mixed media kit, and I'm super excited about it. It's very fall, and I thought it would make a great home decor piece or office decor piece, however you want it to use. To use it. It's a great project to do, very fun and easy. I have a lot of customers that like the mini kit because it's not so much to have to do. It's a little project that's easy, pretty quick, and so this month. Your kit might come where this is wrapped around it. You can actually unwrap it if you want to, and I'll go ahead and unwrap it for the tutorial in case yours was unwrapped. I'll show you what we're going to do with it, which we're just going to wrap it around and tie it. But these were some little wooden mason jars that we bought. It had some stuff on it. We tore it off. You can still see a little bit of it. We applied about 3 coats of gesso, and to cover it all up. It had some words and some other stuff on it. I'm not too worried if there's a little bit showing because we will be painting this, or if you're leaving yours white, and you have some white paint or gesso, you can go ahead and do that. But for the purpose of this project, we will be, repainting it. So, definitely add some, pops of color. So you'll receive this. It's 4 by 6 inches. You're going to get a wooden word, grateful, or some are thankful and some are blessed. I absolutely love these. And of course, you'll get some jute. You'll get a couple of these cute little pine cones. I just love these things to death. You'll get a flower and a little mini bale, hay bale of hay, however you want to call it. A little chipboard leaf, or well, actually it's a wooden leaf. And then some of these little leaves here, cute little fall leaves. You'll get a paintbrush, and you'll get some of this beautiful Finnabair Golden Amber paint. Absolutely love this. We've also got some hazelnut paint. I really love this brown color. And these are going to pair really well together. And then to top it off, we've got some of this beautiful rose gold wax paste. This is like my favorite color wax paste. I absolutely love it. So we will be applying that to our project. So super excited. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply the hazelnut paint. Now I want my mason jar to be kind of distressed looking, kind of old farmhouse, country style, kind of rustic, distressed. And so I'm not covering the entire mason jar with, a solid layer of the paint. I'm just kind of doing strokes as the shape of the mason jar would be, rounding it in the places that it's round and just keeping my brush straight on, the straight places. So that's kind of what I'm going for, and I'm just feeling it out as I go of where I want the thick places of paint to be and the thin places. So I'm going to go ahead and place down the word and just kind of get a feel for, how do I like this? Am I done painting it with the hazelnut, or do I need to apply more paint? I'm liking the look of it. So I'm going to proceed on. I'm going to go ahead and paint with the golden amber, as, like it has a gold, the gold tin top on it. So that's kind of what I'm going for here. And again, I'm just trying to leave the paint distressed and not fully cover the area. So now I'm going to go ahead and wrap the jute around. I'm leaving a little bit of area to hang in the front because I'm going to tie the wooden leaf and the 2 pine cones to that. I think it'll look really cute. So, and what I'm going to do, wrapping it around, I'm going to tuck it behind here and add some glue. I don't want to like glue the whole thing down real heavy. I want to leave it kind of natural, but I do want it to stay in place, so I'm going to glue the back of it. And I'm applying some glue, and I'm going to glue the little hay bale down. I think that's going to make it more sturdy when I'm, standing this up as a decor piece. I don't want it being wobbly or falling over. So the bale is a way to add, just some stability to it. Now you could also add it in the front if you want the hay bale as part of your project. So I'm adding some of the golden amber paint to the jute. Just kind of want it to blend in a little more. And now I'm taking the rose gold wax paste and I'm going over the areas that are thicker with the hazelnut paint. I'm just kind of toning it down a little bit, as well as adding a two-tone look to help add a little depth to the color. So I want that hazelnut, but I want that rose gold. It just kind of defines it a little more, gives it a little deeper, area of colors, if you will. So now I'm going to start gluing down the embellishments. And after I glue them down, I'm going to turn my mason jar over and press it down to where everything, as the glue is setting, everything will stick good to the mason jar, because some of these items are a little wonky. You've got this thick wooden word, then you've got the fabric leaves, and so some of these items are kind of hard to glue down and get it to stay. This is the best way for me to get it to stay down, or if you don't want to turn it over, then you could just lay a heavy book on top of it, and maybe after 30 minutes or so, or even sooner, it'll be enough to, you could go ahead and use it for your decor piece and just stand it straight up. So I'm just going to tie on the other pine cone, and that will go ahead and complete this tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions at all. This was so fun. It's just an adorable piece to make, and I hope that you have fun with it too. Thanks so much for watching.